Let me test something. Have you ever said, discuss about, return back, more better? If yes, don't worry. These are small mistakes. But small grammar mistakes can quietly weaken your English. Today, we're fixing 5 of them. Clearly and simply. And once you understand the logic, you won't forget them again.
You might hear, let's discuss about the problem. But the correct sentence is, let's discuss the problem. Why? Because the word discuss already means talk about. So when you say discuss about, you're repeating the same meaning twice. It's unnecessary. Just remove about. Shorter, cleaner, more correct. Return back. Nope, it's wrong to say, she returned back home. Instead, just say, she returned home. The verb return already includes the idea of going back, so adding back again creates repetition. It's totally wrong to say, myself John. Instead, say, I am John, or my name is John. Here's the rule. Myself is a reflexive pronoun. We use it when the subject and object are the same. For example, I completed the task myself. She prepared the meal herself, but it cannot be used to introduce yourself. Do you really use like more better? It's wrong to say this option is more better. Rather, say it like this option is better. Better is already the comparative form of good. Good, better, best. So you don't need more before better. Never use a double comparative. How many times you might heard, please revert back? Well, that's wrong. Correct would be to say, please revert. Or even better, please reply. The word revert already means return to a previous state, or go back. So again, adding back is repetition. And in modern English, reply is usually clearer and more natural. Here's the pattern you probably noticed. Most grammar mistakes happen because we repeat meaning without realizing it. When your English becomes precise, it becomes powerful. Now tell me in the comments, which one were you saying incorrectly? And try writing one correct sentence using discuss or revert. If this lesson helped you, subscribe for more short, practical English lessons that actually improve the way you speak. See you in the next one.